Yo guys, I'm Fasty and welcome back to this tutorial today, and we're going to clean this chain. It's looking pretty filthy, so we're going to get it cleaned. So what I'm going to be using is this thing here. It's a draper chain cleaner. I think it cost me about £13 off Amazon. I will put a link in the description if you want one. It's really cheap but really good. So what you get in it is some tubes, a bottle and the actual clamp thing that goes on the chain. So I'll get that installed up and then we'll give it a whirl, see if we can make this chain shine a bit. So as you can see down here, I've got the two hooks in line tied up, and I've got the pipes on and clamped around the chain. Now all I have got is some white spirit here. I've put it into the bottle that's supplied with the draper kit. And what we're going to do is we're going to attach that to this pipe. So as you can see from the setup here, I've got the bottle all ready. I just need to place something under here to catch it all. So now all we need to do is unclamp this, take it off and give the chain a wipe with a rag. And there you can see that the chain is in mint condition. It just needs some lubrication now. And that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.